Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make Nano Banana AI Picture. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to any AI image generator. Here you can use Gemini AI. Then log in or sign up if needed. Then here in the prompt box, type something like a futuristic nano banana glowing with AI circuits and neon effects, ultra realistic 8K cinematic lighting. Now you can adjust the style to match the Gemini's smooth, vibrant look. Then you can choose photorealistic or digital art mode. And click generate and wait for the AI to create your nano banana masterpiece. If you want to enhance it further, you can prompt it again. You can increase the detail, glow, and edit more. And once satisfied, download your image and you're done. And that's it. Your Nano Banana AI picture is ready to share. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.